Hello everyone, I'm Grayson Bolt, and today I'm going to be breaking down just a few of the nonverbal communications in the apology video made by Starbucks CEO Mr. Kevin Johnson following the public relations crisis that took place after the arrest of two black men in a Philadelphia store on April 12, 2018. During his video, Mr. Johnson does his best to make his apology seem sincere, although a few things take away from his level of sincerity. The first thing we need to pay attention to is his use of eye contact with the camera, which according to Pamela Meyer in her 2011 TED Talk, How to Spot a Liar, along with BusinessBalls.com's article Body Language, might take away from his credibility. Some might say that his maintaining eye contact makes his apology more realistic, but others might try and argue that the excessive eye contact with the camera creates a sense that Johnson is trying to fake the truth. The second thing that tries to take away from Mr. Kevin Johnson's sincerity is his lack of vocal variation. His vocal range makes the apology seem highly scripted and almost robotic in execution, making it seem as if though he doesn't truly mean what he is saying, but rather trying to cover up the mess that is quickly gathering around his company. Overall, however, I do not believe that these two isolated and somewhat stretched observations truly discredit Mr. Johnson's sincerity in his apology video, but rather that the company simply wanted a prepared statement. I hope that you have enjoyed this brief breakdown of the Starbucks apology video from 2018, and thank you for watching.